Okay, let's see if the space mouse will work on Bluebeam. So Bluebeam is a software that we usually use to review models. So in this case, I have it right here. Usually you will have to scroll, maybe select one of these guys and scroll down. Maybe you need to scroll in, so you press Control and scroll in. And if you need to pan around, you can just press your left key and you will be panning around. So that's cool, but it's a lot of clicking, a lot of scrolling and pressing the Control key just to navigate and check a few stuff. An issue is, or an issue arises when you have something that you can select. So sometimes you just wanna pan around, but you will be selecting something, and that's not what you want because you will be moving it. So instead of that, you can use the space mouse to navigate, and it's so quickly and so nice that you won't stop using it. It's just amazing. So use it with Bluebeam as well. Not a sponsor, by the way. I would love to be sponsored by Space or 3D Connection, but this moment I'm not. So subscribe, and I'll see you next one.